like to give a huge thank you to the 14 people that viewed our video last week. Like and subscribe, it's the only way to make our channel grow. This week we'd like to get to 25 views and maybe one more subscriber. You never know, this time next week we might get 40 views and possibly even 2 more subscribers. Thank you. Ian? Yeah?
Big Ian's in the back of a police car around the front because he was riding one of the mobility scooters.
What happened?
I don't know, I just saw him get put in the back of the car because apparently he was doing something on the mobility scooter.
Okay, alright, well, shit. And Ian is actually in the back of that police car. He's been pulled up on a mobility scooter. He was going too fast apparently. So I'm just going to go and find out what's happening to him and see if he's okay. So this morning I've received a very, very important package. And like every other YouTube video that you've ever watched, I'm not going to open it until the end of the video nearly. That's what other YouTubers do, so that's what I'm going to do. So if you want to find out what's in it, the same as I want to know what's in it, you have to wait till the end. In about 6 minutes, 7 minutes. So how fast were you going then to be pulled up by a police car?
I don't know, about 16 miles an hour.
You didn't put... Did you put Engineer 2 on there then?
Must have been something. I flipped the switch this morning and it just went faster than normal. But I got away with it, so they literally just let me go. It's quite weird.
But an unmarked police car right behind you. What's the chances of that?
Just someone coming past. But evidently not. Must have been that wheelie I pulled earlier on round the bend or something.
Oh, right, yeah. Anyway, so nothing happened over it then.
Nothing happened, no.
That's good, that's good. So, what am I doing today? Well, correcting a mistake that I did the other day. When the boys took the centre rail out for one of our Lisa beds, the centre support was too high. I wouldn't go under the bed. So I made a mistake. But also, I'm making a plinth for this today. So that it finishes this bed off. And I can also see that I've missed a bit of paint on it, so I'll be doing some painting on it as well. And I'm going to be making some Lisa beds. this platform base and this is being made for a customer over in Addlestone. So first thing I want to do today is actually cut the dowels off there, sand it down at either end, and then stain it with Briwax oak, dark oak stain. So I'm going to crack on with that. Japanese saw, and just gently take that off, and the next one. Just a little bit of cap on this one. Then we give it a quick sand down. There we go. Job's a good one. Perfect. So here I've used filler from Wilco's. Probably the cheapest stuff on the market, but it gives great results. So it gives great results. Let's just have a look. So using simple as that. That's filled the holes in around by the knot. That's a perfect little job. £2.50 for a tube, and it's absolutely brilliant stuff. Very easy to use, very easy to use, and the results are good. And the other good thing about this filler is it stains very easily, so we get a bit of a clot of our wax on it, Briwax. Go over the top like this. There we go, up to there. Just a quick demo. Back in there, get your rag, like that. Blend it into that bit there, and get it blending in. Perfect job. Look at that. And that's why it's so good, because it colours very easily as well. So using Briwax dark oak on this particular customer's bed, we put it on with a brush, a cut down brush, and then wipe it off as we go with a cloth, and that also buffs it up at the same time. So it goes from just a plain pine look like this, or fir tree, whichever you want to call it, and she changes into dark oak, and it looks lovely. But that's a very good finish on this one. I must be getting better. Well, to give you some idea, my actual workbench is actually outside, so no matter what the weather is like out there, that's where I'll be working on that bench. Yesterday it was 2 degrees. I think I was a bit lucky. And also my work bench area, you can call it that, is in here. But that's where I assemble everything. Outside, rain, sleet, snow, wind, sunshine, you name it, this is where I work. So for my sins, I'm in Basingstoke again today, and as usual, shop is quiet. It's this Black Friday thing going on, but I've come here, I've just sanded this down, and I went to B&Q last night, bought this paint here in satin. It goes on really well. It's Chicago grey, and well, I'm going to try and paint this and finish this off today with the side rails and the footboard. So this is our Basingstoke store, and this is going down into the depths. So when customers collect, they have to come to our loading bay, and we have to go down all these stairs. This is where we keep a little bit of stock, but not much for Basingstoke. There's the side rails David and Brian are picking up. And those are the things I've just painted. And we're just waiting for David and Brian to come along now and collect them. And this is the loading area, area 4. And this is below all the supermarkets and everything above. Yeah, Brian, where's Dave? Yeah. Is he behind the blanket? Yeah. Oh well. Well, Dave and Brian are picking up the bed I just painted. I better go over here because... Hold on. That's going to be the end of today's video. Like and subscribe. We're a happy bunch. See you in the next one.